I'm TJ Amaro.
Uh-huh.
I'm 17 years old and a representative of Naga City.
At an early age, your achievements also speaks for your hard work. Anong thoughts mo sa naging takbo ng career mo dito sa Batang Pinoy?
Since last year ko nga po representing Naga City, I'm very happy with the results. Although nag-silver ako, which yung plan ko is, give all golds for Naga City. So yeah, I did my best naman. So yeah, I'm very happy with the results and hopefully ma-represent ko pa ulit yung Naga City in other competitions.
I've read an article about you. It says na you're not just aiming for the gold, but you're aiming to break your own records. And you recently wrote that you break 2 of your previous records, and now today you broke 3rd.
Yeah, my third.
Yeah, so how are you feeling about it, and paano ka nagkakaroon ng keen focus in achieving your goals?
I'm happy na nakuha ko po yung record. Yun this year na 200 freestyle. Kasi last year I wasn't able to swim this event. So I'm happy na although nagkulang po ako sa swim ko na sa sarili ko na kaya ko pa na mas maganda sana yung result na nabigay ko. Pero yeah, I'm happy naman and yun na record.
I know it's too early to tell, but for like next year or for the upcoming years of your swimming career, ano yung parang goal na nangingibabaw sa isip mo?
Syempre, yung sabi nila, dream big. So, hopefully yung 2028 na Olympics. Yeah, that's the parang main goal, dream big. Pero in terms of next year goals, as ngayon, ang iniisip ko lang naman for next year na competition is yung magiging tryouts for the SEA Games next year. So, yeah, yun pa lang naman po yung parang naiisip kong competition. Pero since may last meet pa ako next week, may last meet pa ako which is the NCAA. So, yeah, focus muna ako doon, and then after that, after NC, I'll take a rest muna and then I'll get back to work for my future competitions.
You still have NCAA. This is my last question now. Does this give you confidence, or there's no room for complacency, especially you're competing sa NC? You're with San Beda, right?
Yeah.
Confidence.
This give me confidence, especially sa swims ko po. Pero at the same time, I don't want to be complacent. Syempre, kasi we're talking about NCAA, lalo na sa yung mga kalaban namin, which is heavy. Different schools na may mga heavy hitters sila. So, although maganda yung swims ko, hopefully mapakita ko ulit siya next week sa NC, and then sana mas maganda yung performance ko.